Hello and namaskar to all my joyful and beautiful companion of one world. Hopefully you all are good and doing great in your life. So today let's talk about something very basic in our life, that is food, and other topic is fasting. So when I am talking about food, food is nothing but life making materials. So what kind of food we take and how we take is directly associated, and it will directly associated with our thought, emotion and life energy. Basically the raw food, the vegetable have the more kind of pranic materials in it. Like if we take vegetable, within 2 to 4 hours it becomes us, and when we take like any kind of meat or anything, it will take 70 to 72 hours to become in our system. So now if I talking about fasting, if we seek right now that we put food all the time, we cannot to remember when the last time we really have such kind of hungerness. Out of hungerness we eat? No, we just simply gallop all the time. It's needed or not needed, not matter. So if we eat two times of food, one very good lunch and one very good dinner, that is enough. And in between, if we observe our system, then we can to see that in 40 or 45 days there is 2 days like that when we don't need food. So in Indian tradition, these 2 days we refer as Ekadashi, after full moon and after the new moon we call as fast Ekadashi. So what happened in these days? In these days, before the day before, we take the dinner, and after through the day of the Ekadashi we did not take any kind of food or anything, and again dinner. So 24 hours of fasting. So what happened if we do this fasting? There is some kind of cancerous cell in our body. Not I am not talking about disease cancer, but there is some kind of cancerous cell in our body. So if we not taking food, this cancerous cell will slowly destroy. I am not talking about disease. After a certain kind of limit, these all bacteria is in our body, but after a certain thing times it becomes a disease. There is many kind of microbes in our body, but it is essentially not mean disease. But if we not take these 2 days food, these in 40-45 days, within 2 days, those called as Ekadashi, then our system, our body, mind, our clarity is better, our essential life energy is absolutely function better. So it is better that to not eat food in these 2 days. Do these, like right now it is called in modern tradition, is intermittent fasting. So what kind of food we take and how we take is directly proportionate our functioning in this universe. And these 2 days not need to taking food. If you do this for a certain period of time, you can to see that there is a visible changes in your system in terms of everything, in terms of how you function, how your perception, how your clarity, everything is going to change. So that's it. And if you want, you can do this. If you want to function better, if you want your perception to be better, then make sure more vegetable food in your dinner, and not need to take a spill all the time. This is not a garbage bin, this is the most sophisticated machine. So if we observe, if we pay attention to this will tell. Right now what happened, we are always busy in our thought and emotion, so we just not paying attention to our system. If we pay attention to this will tell everything. So intermittent fasting and two meals in a day, very good lunch and dinner, this will make us function better. And another thing which we can ensure, that there must be 8 hours gap between one meal and another meal. There must be a clear gap within one meal and another meal is 8 hours. If we can do this, then within 6 to 8 weeks of time, there will be most of the, except chronic disease, most of the disease will disappear from our body. So that's it from for today's video. Hopefully you love this. Thank you so very much for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay joyful, stay blessed. And as I always say, that if we do not do what we cannot do, no problem in our life. But if we do not do what we can do, then really we are a disaster in our life. In our individual life, we must to ensure that we must not to be a disaster in your life, in our life. Thank you so very much. Namaskar.